Today we'll be installing our Rieco Titan quick release kit onto a late model four-wheel camper. Attach the hook plates to the jacks using your original factory hardware. Ensure the U-shaped slots are facing up. Next, use the included grade 8 hardware to sandwich the machined aluminum spacers between the cover plate and the jack bracket. You'll use the top and bottom holes for mounting. The center hole will remain open for the moment. Ensure the edge of the cover plate is flush with the outside edge of the jack bracket. Use the included pin to prevent the jack from sliding back out while hanging free. The weight of the camper is supported by the hooks, spacers, and bolts. The pin is solely to retain the jacks while they're not weighted by the camper.